Hi, Ken Riley with the law firm of Ferris, Riley and Pitt. He's here to explain how the BP oil spill may affect, the settlement that is, may affect you even if you live nowhere near the coast. So you got our attention.
Doesn't sound like it makes sense, does it?
No, it doesn't.
Well, actually, the BP oil spill, we all remember it,
Yeah.
really affected a lot of businesses along the coast.
Sure.
But under the proposed settlement, and under the settlement with the BP oil spill, people in Birmingham, people in Calhoun County, people in Huntsville, people all over the state of Alabama actually have a claim. And when I say people, I mean businesses. Okay, so if your business was affected, this is a very simple test. There are a lot of different formulas that really you need an accountant to kind of go through and determine whether or not you actually fit within this criteria. But if your revenue decreased in 2010 and then it increased again in 2011, that is something that you need to get a lawyer to take a look at to see whether or not your business would qualify for a claim. There again, you don't have to be, and I know you may have seen some commercials out there and things like that, you don't have to be along the coast. This is for the entire state of Alabama. So there are some businesses that are excluded, but for the most part, most businesses can qualify. So it's very important that you have someone take a look and see, because this oil spill did indirectly affect a lot of businesses in Alabama, and a lot of times whether you realize it or not. So that's what that settlement's for, and it's very important because the time starts running out.
Well, let me ask you, what kind of an attorney would somebody want to contact?
Well, you know, we're screening cases. There are other attorneys around the state of Alabama who are screening these type cases. What happens is we would get your records, your accounting records from your accountant, or you would provide them. We would plug the information into a formula, and then we would determine whether or not you actually have a claim that you could go and file with BP. And I will tell you that they're already paying claims. It's not a process where you have to go through a lawsuit. It's not a process other than just a claims process. So if you fit within the formula,
jump on it.
You don't have to prove that your business was, that the BP oil spill actually affected the business. Okay, you just have to prove that you fit in the formula from a numbers standpoint. So it's really interesting what's going on out there.
Sure. Well, good to know. If you'd like more information, head to his website. It's deliveringjustice.com. You can also go to myfoxal.com and click on the Law Call tab.